to uninstall Play Store on your Android device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can uninstall your Play Store on your Android device. So to uninstall the Play Store or Google Play Store on your Android device, you have to follow this step. So here you can see your Play Store. You can go for your setting option of your mobile device or your Android device, and on the setting you have to scroll down and go for your app. Under the app setting, you have to go for the manage app and search for the Play Store here. So once you are on your Google Play Store, so there is no any option of uninstalling the Play Store here. So there is no option to uninstall Play Store in your device, but you can uninstall the update here. So here you can see that. So all the update to the Android system app will be uninstalled here. So if you want to uninstall your update, you have to go for the first stop, and if you first stop an app, it may misbehave. You have to go for the OK option. Also, you can disable your app. So if you disable this app, system and other app may no longer be able to work properly. So this system app can't be installed. It will be hidden if you decide to disable it. So with the help of this simple step, you can uninstall your Play Store from your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.